Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Advent.
Invitations are as important as the occasion itself, be it the wedding, engagement, or birthday. Invites hold a special place. While physical invites are still in use in most parts of the world, many have switched to digital invitations. Digital invitation cards are easy to create and eco friendly. Many free apps let you develop e cards for various occasions. So if you are an Android user, then following free invitation card maker apps are going to help you a lot.
Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel.
With stylish invitation card maker, you can create beautiful wedding cards, Christmas cards, birthday cards, greeting cards, Eid invitations, party invitation for friends and family. In this card maker, you can create a variety of invite cards with exciting colors, designs, and exceptional visuals. Edit and replace text, names, venue, add relevant stickers and background, and send your personalized invitation card after the customization. Download it today and create stunning invitation cards today. With this invitation card maker app, you can create invitations such as wedding invitation, birthday card invitations, RSVP cards, party cards, and many more. You can select templates according to your need and easily customize your card design, print, and send it online. Making eco friendly online invitations has never been so easy. The fastest way to create amazing invitation cards with this beautiful app. Install it today and create your custom wedding cards or birthday cards today. This invitation maker app lets you design different cards placed in the app waiting for you to begin using your editing skills. Install this app and enjoy the exquisite features that you will never come across anywhere else. It is a perfect blend of simplicity and gorgeous functionality to come up with a birthday and wedding invitation card. You can bring your abstract ideas to life with minimal effort. Features of invitation card maker: add text, filters, and change the color of photos to match them with your text. Aspect ratio to change the size of the photo and rotate it if it required. Various overlays with low opacity to add extra effects to your final touch. Hundreds of HD stickers to insert the message in the photo. Invite your friends and relatives by creating awesome and creative invitation cards like wedding invitation card, birthday invitation card, etc. Online invitation card maker has a lot of cards design that you can select, add your dates and event info, and create most beautiful card. Features: awesome collection of HD backgrounds, lots of invitation templates, option to choose color as background, use own images from gallery as background, multiple page size ratio for invitation cards, all categories of sticker collection, professional fonts and colors, add own images on card, save and share your cards via social media. Download the most beautiful invitation card making app to make your event's first impression very exciting. At last, you can go with any app according to your desire and need. Hopefully, These apps would help you to make your special event memorable.
Thanks for watching. Before leaving, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Advent.